Troy University students had the chance to help people in need by rolling up their sleeves.
It was the opportunity to give the gift of life through blood donation. Caden Walker shows us how.
The Red Cross plays a crucial role in saving lives by facilitating blood donations. Each year they collect millions of units of blood, which are then distributed to hospitals and clinics to help patients in need. Year-round, groups at Troy University offer multiple opportunities to give blood as they aid in saving lives.
Troy's MPHC and the Minority Student Council collaborate on this blood drive every year. It was first established with Sedaris Williams in his time in his transition over to Bama. So we're trying to make sure that we continue to do it and make sure that it's an annual event.
After speaking with a volunteer for the American Red Cross, she says that blood donation is crucial as it helps save lives in emergencies and it supports patients that are undergoing surgeries such as cancer treatments and chronic illnesses. Speaking to event coordinators, they say that in early years of the event, it was difficult to get students to be committed to donating blood, so they came up with some incentives.
I'm excited to save lives, but I'm also excited for this $15 gift card.
If you missed your opportunity Monday to donate blood, don't worry. There will be other ways that you can give in the future. Keep an eye out in your Troy Outlook email for more updates on different blood drives. And that's all the updates that we have from the Trojan Center Lounge. Caden Walker, Troy, TrojanVision News.
You can find out about future on-campus blood drives by visiting redcross.org.